Ihor Cavalcanti set to go down against Seok Hyun Ko. Seok Hyun Ko, incredible, is riding a score of 10-2. He is 5'10", Team Stun Gun fighter. He is very, very dangerous. He is looking for the finish by any means necessary. Very aggressive, a lot of testosterone. He lost to Sasha Palatnikov and Hansul Kim, but destroyed Jaewoong Kim, Alvin King Kai, and he was very dominant in his local circuits. And Ihor Jacare Cavalcanti is a typical shoot boxer, 5'11", 79.5 inches of reach. He controls the central line and destroys everybody who stands in front of him. Many round 1 knockouts. Okay, he was dealing with some high-level opponents, and he is still super prominent, super dominant. He'll try to keep the fight on the feet. This is going to be a stand and bang affair. Both of these guys are very tough, but I see Ihor Cavalcanti winning via stoppage. Official prediction fight not going the distance, but I say Ihor is going to win this one.